This is the fourth video in the series of anxiety, and now we'll talk about phobia. The meaning of phobia is bhiti or bhay. Let us see the meaning of phobia. A phobia is a type of anxiety disorder defined by a persistent and excessive fear of an object or situation. Phobia एक एंजाइटी डिसऑर्डर का ही सब पार्ट है और ये डिफाइन किया जाता है कि लगातार बहुत ज़्यादा डर बना रहे किसी व्यक्ति या फिर किसी सिचुएशन से. Phobias typically result in a rapid onset of fear and are present for more than 6 months. Rate of phobic disorder are about twice as high for females as males. One interesting thing is phobias do not require hospitalization. Now the fear in phobias exist in 5 different categories. First one is separation fears. It means crowds, traveling alone, being alone at home. Second one is animal fears, fear of mice, rat, insect, etc. Mutilation fear. ओपन वुंड, सर्जिकल ऑपरेशंस, ब्लड एक्सेट्रा. खुले घाव को देख के, सर्जिकल ऑपरेशन या खून को देख के डर जाना, इट कम्स अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ म्यूटिलेशन फियर. नेक्स्ट वन इज सोशल फियर्स. ईटिंग विद स्ट्रेंजर्स, बीइंग वॉच्ड राइटिंग, बीइंग वॉच्ड वर्किंग. नेचर फियर्स, फियर ऑफ माउंटेन, द ओशंस, द हाइट्स. नाउ लेट अस सी द मेजर टाइप्स ऑफ फोबिया. The first category relates with specific phobias. It is a miscellaneous category of marked, persistent, irrational fears. The examples are intense fear of particular type of animals, claustrophobia जिसे कहते हैं बंद जगह में घुटन महसूस होना, या एक्रोफोबिया ऊंचाई से डर. These all comes under one type, that is specific phobias. Specific phobia is the most common type of phobia. Second type is social phobias. It is characterized by fear and embarrassment in dealing with others. It is less common than specific phobia. Examples of social phobias are fear of public speaking, eating in public, etc. The third and final one is agoraphobia. It means fear of open places and unfamiliar settings. The agoraphobic person dreads the awful anxiety of panic attack, losing control in a crowd. Some cases of agoraphobia are preceded by panic attacks marked by intense anxiety. In continuation with this, now let us see about OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder. This is a disorder, the main cause of which is anxiety. Now let us see the meaning of obsession, an idea or thought that continually preoccupies or intrudes on a person's mind. In other words, it is a recurrent thought the person is unable to control. यह एक बार बार आने वाला विचार है जिसमें व्यक्ति इंडिविजुअल कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाता है, उसे हम कहते हैं ऑब्सेशन. Obsession involves doubt, hesitation, fear of contamination, or fear of one's own aggression. The second term is compulsion. It refers to an irresistible urge to perform a particular act or series of acts over and over again. The most common forms are counting, ordering, checking, touching, and washing. It is unusual to see compulsive behavior without obsessional thoughts. People with OCD find it difficult to control their preoccupation with specific ideas or repeatedly performing an activity. Please watch next video in which we will discuss about interpreting and treating anxiety disorders. Thanks for watching the clip. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment for inclusion of new topic.